get it raw. She see me in public like, what's up, friend? She talk too much, but I still hit. Cause she a fool on that.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then